What's going on, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are having a fantastic Saturday. My buddy Chris is here. He's got the black Duramax. Actually, we're swapping wheels and tires back. Got the 20s, going back to the 17s. So, but today we got some stuff to do. I really need to make some progress on this truck, and I will. I've been doing so much other stuff. I'm actually going to pull my fender flares off right now, and I'm really hoping for the best. I already pulled all the pins out. I'm kind of scared, so because I really don't want to run them, because I'm going to do a custom bumper on this when we do the solid axle, and you know, it's all about that stance life, so I'm going to try to make it. Oh yeah, that's not a good sign already. Oh boy, it's rotted as hell under here. Probably shouldn't do this, but oh, it's not that bad. There's one off anyways. Yeah, it's just right here on this corner. And you know what? It's honestly not even that bad. Well, it's pretty bad. Gotta love New England. But because I'm doing the wrap, I should be able to sand this and prime it. We should be okay. Oh, that's pretty gnarly. It's still sturdy though, for the most part. Not as bad as I thought. It's one thing after another. There's a little rust right here too, but it's gonna be cleaned up. So that's how old's this truck? 2005. Puts that, what, 13 years. I'll pull this side off in a little bit, and we'll come back and see how bad this one is. It's a little dented in right here from years of tire rub and stuff. I'm telling you guys, it doesn't end. I don't even know. But we'll pull this side off, see how bad it is, assess the damage. We'll get that primed up over there, taped off and sanded and scuffed smooth. So that way when we put the wrap on, everything looks good. I think it's salvageable. It's not through yet, just needs a little loving. But alrighty. Here goes nothing. Oh, this side's actually way better. There's a little surface rust right here, like the other side, right in this corner. But other than that, I think we're pretty good on this side. Besides down here, that's a little messed up, but that's from like tires hitting and shit. But this one doesn't look too bad. We should be able to salvage it. Cool. Well, that's off. That way it'll give us a little bit more, a little cleaner look, because we're doing the flatbed. The body lines will be a little tighter. We'll keep the bumper tight to this. Get some nice stance with the 20x12s and the solid axle. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to measure the track width of the IFS to the solid axle and see how much of a difference we're going to have, because hopefully with the lift kit on and that 2-inch swing, it actually makes it even to what the solid axle will be, and that'll be perfect. Because then, oh no, that may not be perfect, because I really don't want to run wheel spacers on the back with big tires. So we'll see. I'm going to pull out measuring tape, measure it real quick, and see what the deal is, and see how far off the track width is, and see, you know, kind of what we're going to deal with. Alright, you guys, back at the house after a few tasks I had to take care of, and but here they are. These are the Fox 2.5 10-inch travel coilovers. Basically, they'll be mounted something along the lines of there, and they'll get installed on this. Basically, somewhere up a little higher. I don't feel like holding it. I gotta change the springs. These are 14-inch, 600-pound springs. We're going with a little bit different setup, but basically they're gonna be mounted somewhere on the frame here. The little reservoirs. So we have come one step closer to finishing this. We got the coilovers now, so everything is a go. We got both of them. Got a pretty alright deal on them. So that's that. We're actually gonna step up our game, because I did not know this, but we have torches at the house. We have torches here that my buddy Tony has. I don't know where they're at or where everything's at, but we got torches, so we're going to torch half the stuff off the frame. That way it goes a little faster. I'm going to not really go underneath the truck, like towards the oil pan and stuff. I'll cut that with a grinding wheel, suck it up, you know, whatever. So, gonna get to work on that, start chopping stuff, hopefully get everything off and cleaned up tonight. So that's kind of the goal for today, is get everything off and chopped up and ground down smooth, and maybe spray painted just for now, just to keep it from rusting or getting any surface rust. So plan of attack is that, and we'll get to work. Everything about cut off. It didn't burn too much. I'm taking off this cross member right now. So I get this piece out of here. Hopefully that's all it needs. There's actually, so note to yourself, if you're doing this, pull the transmission. It was really easy to get in there and get the cut the back part of this bracket. Stuff on the frame is taken off. I really hope that wasn't for anything else important. I don't think so. But the motor mount's still there. We gotta cut a little bit more off, which I'll probably do now that I got this shit all out. And then we'll go to the other side. But let me tell you, this is way easier than messing around with a grinding wheel. But I'll show you. With the transmission out, it's very easy to get in here and cut all this stuff. So I'm gonna cut that last little sliver off, kind of do the same thing on this side, which I don't know if I'll be able to get as close. There's a lot of stuff on this side, wires and stuff, so I don't know how much of it I'm actually gonna go ahead and chop, because there's a lot of wires and stuff, but it should be okay. I'm really not trying to light my truck on fire. It's actually pretty nice that we're doing a swap, because I got to take this out. And yes, one more thing, just so you guys know, I'm pretty sure, I'm gonna double check the measurement, but I'm pretty sure this is the perforated hole for the ZF6. So Chevy is always pretty good about that, keeping like, I don't know about other cars probably, but all the GMs, even the 80s Camaros I've worked on, they always had perforated slots for the shifters when you're going from auto to manual. So we're gonna get up in here with the power washer and clean everything, undercoat this, clean the frame while I'm down here, track bars. Yeah, so we're actually making some headway, and there's quite a bit of clearance under here, but we're probably gonna have to go up another few inches. Actually, we're probably gonna have to go up a lot of inches. Because I was just thinking, with the coilover was standing on the ground, and it was about this tall. So add the height of the axle with the tires. The axle's probably gonna sit about here, like centered. So we're probably gonna have to go up another, I don't know, another 6 inches maybe in the front. Which would be pretty gnarly because the hood is already as tall as I am. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go cut the other side. All right. So most of this stuff is grinded down. That I'm gonna hit with a wheel. That I'm gonna hit with a wheel. I just forgot. And then got most of these cut off. This one I was hitting brakes and melting wires, which these are for the ABS, and we're not really gonna be running that, but I really wasn't trying to light everything on fire. So I got just about everything cut off. I just need to start grinding. So that's basically what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night, is just grind away on this. Alright guys, I'm sure I look crazy right now. It's been very hot. Basically, we have everything about cut off. Started grinding down, got the insides ground down on the frame. Got to keep working on it. Got everything cut off over here besides this one. This is the one I was talking about that was getting kind of close to the wires, so I stopped a little bit. But I was hammering it. Anyways, this is all cut off. There's that piece and all these pieces. So, yeah, that's gonna do it for today, guys. As always, thank you for watching. Trying to get this build on the move. We have the coilovers. I still haven't got an email for the spindle, but hopefully it's here momentarily, or not momentarily, the next few days. Yeah, we're just gonna keep pushing away. I'm gonna get some paint on this, just that way it doesn't rust. Just cleaning up right now, gonna shower and stuff. It's been a long day, so probably work on it a little bit more tomorrow. Just keep grinding. Probably won't videotape any more grinding, so probably the next 2 or 3 days won't really be any videos, except for when the tires and any other parts come in. So went over that. I got the coilovers today, so that's gonna be a wrap, guys. Like I said, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning into the channel. This build's probably getting redundant for some of you, but we will be done soon, and it'll all be worth it. I have to just keep grinding and cleaning now, so get the frame ready, get everything ready, and then we'll start assembling. Have a good night, guys. Be safe as always. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking these videos and commenting. We'll catch you later, guys.